Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on macOS 26, step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, click on Appearance from the sidebar. At the top of the screen, you'll see three options: Light, Dark, and Auto. To enable dark mode, simply click on Dark. Immediately, your Mac interface will switch to a darker theme. You'll notice the menu bar, Dock, System Apps, and Windows all change to dark mode. If you want everything to look fully consistent, scroll down to the Icon and Widget Style section. Select Dark there as well. This will apply the dark appearance to system icons and supported apps, giving your Mac a clean and modern dark look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on macOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.